Assalamu alaikum student. Today this is our revision class for microeconomics course which we have covered in our summer semester of 2025. Okay, today I will try to cover all the technical questions which we have covered in our previous lectures and the classes. Okay, and you know that this is our last class, so please be careful and try to understand what I am explaining today, and that will be helpful to understand the concept and the topic which we will have these kind of the questions may be expected in your exams. Okay, so now today the topic of discussion is first of all the question is that we have number of labors, plant 1, plant 2 and plant 3. अच्छा क्या given है actually in the column side we have the number of labor and these columns represent the output against these labor. Question ये है कि for example an industry or firm अगर वो डिफरेंट नंबर ऑफ लेबर्स एंड मशीन्स को यूटिलाइज करती है, सो हाउ मेनी आउटपुट दैट फर्म कैन प्रोड्यूस, दैट इज द पॉइंट हियर. फॉर एग्जांपल नंबर ऑफ लेबर, इफ फर्म एंगेज 10 number of labor with respect to 20 machine or capital, how much unit through plant 1 that firm can produce, plant 1 के थ्रू कितने नंबर ऑफ लेबर और कैपिटल को यूटिलाइज करके कितनी आउटपुट प्रोड्यूस कर सकती है, दैट फर्म कैन प्रोड्यूस 10 यूनिट ऑफ आउटपुट थ्रू प्लांट 1. सिमिलरली थ्रू प्लांट 2 दैट फर्म कैन प्रोड्यूस 20 units of output when it utilizes 30 excuse me 30 unit of labor and 30 unit of labor when that firm use 40 unit of machine or capital against 10 unit of labor through plant 3, that firm can produce 45 unit of labor and so on. So now that is the question which is given. What you need to do, you need to find out the average total cost. क्या मालूम करना है? Average total cost. Number one part, ATC, ये find out करना है. Second important part of this question is that you need to plot ATC plot करना है, and then you have to compare why these ATC curve are differ with each other. Third part is that why ATC curves are differ. So these are the three parts of this question. Now the first part we start. Okay, so इसका मतलब है कि you have to find out the average total cost. अच्छा बच्चों, average total cost we cannot find out without total cost. If you don't have a total cost, so we cannot find out the average total cost. अगर हमारे पास total cost है, तो हम average total cost find out नहीं कर सकते. Clear? So now you have to find out first of all average total cost. अब हम total cost. So total cost for plant 1 मैं यहाँ लिख रहा हूँ. Total cost 1, TC1 stand for total cost for plant 1. ये मैंने मेंशन किया. ओके, अब कैसे निकालेंगे? टोटल कॉस्ट व्हेन नंबर ऑफ लेबर आर 10 फॉर प्लांट वन के लिए निकालना, दैट इज फॉर प्लांट वन, TC1 फॉर प्लांट वन. Number of labor are 10, machines are 20. Clear? Okay. तो हमने क्या करना है? You need to find out the price. कैसे find out करना है? भाई rent of machine is $50 per machine. Wage of machine यानी wage of labor is $20 per labor. What does it means कि एक लेबर को मैं $20 पे कर रहा हूं, और if I hire a machine or capital तो I need to pay $50 for each machine. In case of the plant one, how many machines are engaged? 20 machines are engaged. Okay, so first of all, wage number of labor, wage multiplied by number of labor plus rent multiplied by number of machine. ओके, ये अब हमने निकाला. यस, कैलकुलेट करो. इनिशियली वी engage 10 labor, so 10 multiplied by, sorry, what about the wage? Wage is $20, so 20 multiplied by 10 plus, what is the rent? Rent is 50, number of machines are 20. Yes, what is your answer? 200 plus 2 5s are 10, so 10,000. Yes, so 10,200. You got my point? 10 labor, 20 machine. What is the first total cost? Is 10,020. Now calculate 20 labor, 20 $20 and 20 labor, 20 labor. Clear? 20 machine and $50 rent, $50 and 20 machine. So 2 2s are 4, 400 plus 10,000. So it is 10,400. You got my point? $10,400. Now 10,400 similarly G multiplied by 50. Oh sorry, 20 multiplied by 50 is not 10,000, it is 1,000. Just let me correct. So 1,200 again it is 1400. Okay, yes. Similarly, 30 multiplied by 10, sorry, 20 multiplied by 30, number of labor are going to change here, plus again 50 multiplied by 20, so you will have 2 3 the 6, 600, plus 2 5 the 10, 1000, so 1600. Similarly, last one is 40. So 20 multiplied by 40 plus 50 multiplied by 20, that is equal to 2 4 the 8. So now you will have 1800. So these are your total cost. Now you need to find out the average total cost for plant 1. Average total cost ATC for 1. Yes. ATC for 1. क्या करना है भाई? How you can find out the average total cost? Average total cost is total cost divided by per unit output. So what is the number of output here is 10. So now 1200 divided by 10 to cancel out, you will have $120. Similarly, what about this one? 1400 divided by 20. 2 7 the 14. So what about you? So this one is 7. 170. 2 1 the 2, 2 7 the 14. Okay, so 0 cancel out. 2 1 the 2, 2 7 the 14, 70. Clear? So you will have 1400 divided by 20. So your answer is 70. Similarly, here's this one. 1600 divided by what? 1600 divided by 65. 65. Yes. So 1600 divided by 65. 24.6. 24.6. Clear? Ab now 17. Similarly, 1800 divided by 85. क्या किया है देखो, इससे मैंने डिवाइड किया है किसको? 1200 divided by 10. Similarly, 1400 divided by 20. Now 1600 divided by 65. 1800 divided by 85. So you will have a average total cost. So average total cost $21.16. 21.1. So these are the average total cost. Okay, this is your average total cost for plant 1. अब now you have to calculate average total cost for plant 2 as well as for plant 3, तीनों के लिए हमने कैलकुलेट करनी है। अभी हम लेट्स से इसको हम सेकंड को कैलकुलेट करते हैं और सेकंड को कैलकुलेट करने के बाद आई विल जस्ट प्लॉट these average total cost and then we will compare why these average total costs are differ from each other, क्यों एक दूसरे से डिफर कर रही हैं। क्लियर? ये अब हम करेंगे। तो अब हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं, यहां पे कर रहा हूं बच्चों। ये कर रहा हूं। अब ये करने के लिए अब हमने अगेन टोटल कॉस्ट निकालनी है। टोटल कॉस्ट फॉर 2 देन ATC। क्लियर? यस, क्लियर है? TC2 एंड ATC2 क्लियर? अच्छा, अब नाउ TC2 इज अगेन नंबर ऑफ मशीन्स आर 30 इंस्टेड ऑफ 20 इन प्लांट 2। ओके, तो मैं कैलकुलेट कर रहा हूं यहां पे। अगेन द वेज एंड रेंट इज फिक्स्ड, तो मैं यहां लिख रहा हूं वही पहली दफा में नंबर ऑफ लेबर 10 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 20 प्लस 50 multiplied by what is 30, so your cost is 200 plus 5 threes are 15, so plus 1700, so number one is 1700. Second one is rent is number of labor is 20, rent is 20 plus machine is 50, rent number of machine is 30, so 400, 1500 plus 400, 1500 plus 400, and that is 1900. Similarly, now 1500 plus what about 3600, 1500 plus 600, so next is 2100. Calculate करना, do yourself, and last is 800, 1500 plus 800, 2300. डिवाइड करो, किससे डिवाइड करोगे? 1700 डिवाइडेड बाय आउटपुट इज 20, यस, $85. Similarly, 1900 divided by output is 40. This one is 40. So your answer is 1900 divided by 40. Your answer is 47.5. Okay. Next is what? 2100 divided by 75. This one is 75. 2100 divided by 75 is 28. Last one is 2300 divided by 90. 25.5. Okay, you have now ATC1, ATC2. अब मैं इसको रब कर रहा हूं एंड यू कैन डू योर सेल्फ फॉर प्लांट 3. उसको अब मैं कंप्लीट नहीं कर रहा यहाँ पे, दो को कर दिया है एंड आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू प्लॉट ATC1 एंड ATC2 and then I will compare which why these cost curve are differ with each other. You can apply with plant 3 as well. Okay, now ATC1 मैं यहाँ कॉपी कर रहा हूँ. ATC1 यहाँ कॉपी कर रहा हूँ. Now it is 120, 120, 70, 24.6 and 21.1. ATC2 is 85, 47.5, 28 and 25.5. This. We have to plot these cost curves. So we have completed part 1. Now we are doing part 2 as well as part 3. हम part 1 complete कर चुके हैं, part 2 कर रहे हैं. We have to plot these cost curves. Look at the values of average total cost, lowest value and highest value. What is the highest value? Highest value is 120 and the lowest value is 21. Okay, तो मैं यहाँ स्केलिंग कर रहा हूँ. Okay, in these two plants, output is lowest value of output is 10, highest value of output is 90. So keep here is output. Okay, output keep on x-axis, values of average total cost on y-axis. So now this is ATC1, ATC2. This is 0. So now 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 एंड थोड़ा सा इधर लेना पड़ेगा, नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, मैं इसको इधर लूंगा. put, and again ATC1, ATC2. Yes. Output 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 20. Okay. Up now, look at here. Highest value is 120, lowest value is 21. Okay. So we start from 20. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 100, इसको मैं आगे इसकी तो जरूरत नहीं है, इसको जस्ट आई एम गोइंग टू rub these things. Okay. क्या था ATC1 and ATC2 is 120, 70, 34.6 and 1, 85, 47.5, 28 and 25.5 is then yes. Okay. Then pay what? First value आपके पास क्या थी? फॉर एग्जाम्पल इस मुझसे अब हमने प्लॉट करनी है फर्स्ट वैल्यू, लेट्स से आपके पास 20 10 के ऊपर 10 के ऊपर आपके पास वैल्यू क्या दी हुई है 120, हमने लिया 10 पे 120। फिर उसके बाद आपके पास वैल्यूज दी हुई है 10 के बाद आपके पास वैल्यूज गिवन थी, जस्ट अ मिनट। फर्स्ट वैल्यू 10 पे 120, नाउ 20 पे व्हाट अबाउट दिस वैल्यू इज 70, 20 पे 70. 70 is this one. And this one is 1. 10. Next is 45. 45 पे 24.6. 45. This one is 45. 24.6. So 24.6 we will have something there. Yes. Next is 21. Now 65 पे 21. 65 पे you will have this kind of a cost. ATC1. Now you can plot for ATC2. इसके लिए प्लॉट कर सकते हो for plot 2. 30 पे 85. 30 पे 85. Now the 30 is 85. 30. 85. Okay. Next is 65 पे 47. 65 47. 65 47. 65 47. Okay. So then you will have this kind of ATC. Now, question is here is that why these two cost curve are differ with each other. Answer is that answer number 3. Part 3. These ATC curves are differ with each other due to minimum efficient scale at 65 unit. At 65 units, minimum value of ATC1 is 21.1 and ATC2 is 47.6. So this is the answer of these three parts. Okay, why these cost curve are differ with each other and how you can solve this question. So we have completed these questions. So do yourself and practice this question and watch my channel and subscribe my channel. And this video is available on my YouTube channel, so you can watch from this channel. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.